You're always there, you always answer me. Oh yeah, you're always there with me through any and every season. You are my guide. So how could I worry when you are for me? Your grace is all I see, your favor's all around me. You are always there for me. I will not worry, oh no, no. Oh yeah, yeah. So I'm sure goodness and mercy always follow me. Oh, your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Yeah. All around me. All around, you are all around me. All around me, yeah. All around me, yeah. And all I see is your beauty all around me. And all I see is your glory all around me. Oh, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Oh, to know love is to know you, Lord, you are ever faithful and true. Yes, you are, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Yeah, yeah. Follow me, dear God. Yeah. Follow me, dear God. Follow me, dear God. Follow me, dear God. Oh, goodness and mercy. Follow me, dear God. Always follow me. Follow me, dear God. Your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Oh yes, all around me. Oh, your favor follows me. Your grace all around me. Oh, yeah. Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you.
So much beauty, so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Matchless, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As great as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The battle's already won. So I'll keep on going strong, strong. See, I have already overcome. Oh yeah, this is my victory song, yeah. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on, yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. Ooh, on and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Papa, the things you do for me, Papa. Your love is so sweet, Papa. I cannot tell it all, it's not all I can recall. Papa, you qualified me and made me your own. Now I am sanctified, 'cause you are the one inside. But whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on.
What's up, chat? Good morning, what's up? Happy Monday here, gang. A new month, new opportunity. Let's go. Drop some energies in the chat. What's up, Eric? How you doing? Good morning, what's up? What's up, JC? Let's see who's here. Shout out to 12 viewers right now. If you guys can drop some energies in the chat, let's go.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, 'cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, 'cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept.
What's up, chat? What's up, gang? How you guys doing? I'm top my GO, man. W gang, W. Man, we're pushing up here. We're pushing up. Ah, Monday we move a lot already, huh? Damn. 500, 500 pips. Man, this candle can shoot up. This candle can fill the range. Probably today, you make a new all-time high.
Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay.
Damn. All right, chat. What's up? What's up? Happy Monday, everybody. New month, new opportunity here, gang. Mm. What's up? What's up? Man, we have a decent range here going up 160 pip, and we have decent range too on 320 pips. What's up, Reese? How you doing? Good morning. All right, let me do the top down here. The top down. Top down, top down. Okay, so let's start with this open up the candle, the monthly candle, right? So we have closure, right? We have bullish closure here on price. We have new support form here on the month. So we have new support form here, and I believe, right, if it's, if we have a lot of volume, and as you can see on the left, we're just, pushing up. As you can see, we have the previous support here has been formed, and after that, we're just keep pushing up towards to the upside here. And I believe today, or probably not today, tomorrow or this week, there's a high chance that we can make a new all-time high and probably react on after create a new all-time high here. But I believe we need to see, bottom wick, right? If you want to push further up here, you need to see liquidity grabs on this area if we want to see, pushing up, or we want to see re-break of the low, because we don't have enough bottom wick on the previous candle month, right? This is the previous candle month. We don't have enough bottom wick to push even further. So I would expect this candle being create this bottom wick this week, and I would expect to create a bottom wick here too, re-break the previous candle low, and then start to push up here. That's gonna be once you re-break the previous candle low and then starting to react and move back up again. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. That's gonna be push towards to the upside. But right now, we don't have any bottom wick here. I believe we don't have top wick too. Look at the closure, but you know, if we have a lot of volume, and if we have a lot of volume, if the candle close without top wick, open without bottom wick, that we have volume, and it's indicate you that it will push. Volume will push towards to the upside, towards to the to the direction. All right, direction is bullish. Let's see on the weekly time frame. So yeah, we have some breakouts here on price. We have support here, okay, and resistance up here, but still respect. Right, we have resistance here on the price. There's no closure yet, but there is a high chance that we can feel the range. We can feel this wick on the left hand side here, right? This one, but right now we starting to react, right? We're starting to react on 3491 area. How many pips? So we have 100 pip more to make a new all-time high here. But right now we move already 500 plus pips. 8 all-time high today. I don't know right now. I don't really know. Right, we're just creating some ranges on the lower time frame. So the daily, okay, the daily, as you can see, we have rally. How many kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles are pushing up towards to the I'm no I always expect, because how many times we top here, we have a structure here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I would say 5, right? We're heading to the resistance area, but right now, as you can see, there's no resistance yet. There's no candle, there's no bearish candle close, so that we can indicate that we have new resistance form. So there is a high chance today or probably tomorrow, the candle should, if this candle didn't push through to make a new all-time high tomorrow, there is a high chance that we can hover around here on price. Okay, that we can hover around here on price and then probably close bullish, bearish, like this. So now we have new resistance form. So this for tomorrow, right? But let's see. It's all about probabilities here. All about happening because right now, I would say this one. Okay. Yeah, I would expect this probably. But let's see, because there is a lot of volume today. But later on, we have bank holiday on USD, so probably I'm not gonna trade on the NY. I'm gonna look for trades on the London only on this stream. But let's see. But if bank holiday in US, there's normally, yeah, there is a volume, okay, but directions, it's slow. It becomes slow because there's no bank open there. Okay, so that's the daily, the four. Okay, the four, we're trying to move up and then react. This is gonna be interesting because we have re-break of the high, right? So we can expect this candle to close bearish, right? Once this candle close bearish, you gonna expect that the next candle will push down to retest the low here, right? So that's gonna be the onion for the 4 hour. But one, okay, the one we starting to range here, we have a decent range, resistance and support. If we're gonna drop down to the 30, okay, so look at this, 30 and 15, there's a high chance that we can have some potential probably buy to retest this high. We have a decent range here, but let's see, we have yeah, we didn't close below, so we close respecting. So yeah, it's gonna be a new support and a resistance up here. How many pip here going up? We have a range to the left. Do we have range to the left? Clean range. Okay, we have some choppy here on price. We have how many pip range? Once you 91 pip range. Yeah, it's interesting here on the 15. But let's see. We have a decent range to move up again to retest the high. The daily, yeah, the daily is still bullish. 4 hour is about to close. We just have 1 hour and 3 minutes. Okay, the 1 hour is about to close here, gang. Okay, the 30. Okay, 30 looks like, but the stops gonna be wide. They're probably gonna keep the stops on the 15 low. Yeah, 15 low should be good. 40, 50 pip stops. But let's see how this candle close. Shout out to 20 viewers right now. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, drop it in the chat and make sure you drop some likes here and subs to the channel. Probably this is September is gonna be, good price action. Hopefully it's good price action this September. Because yeah, open up the candle, we move a lot. We move a lot. We move, we move, we move. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Mm. This good impulse, impulse trade on buys, nice. If we see this right here, right now in the stream, man, we were probably in the trade now. How many pips the stops now, man? Okay, no, it's risky. 60 pip stops. There's some news to tweets. No tweets. More than $15 trillion will be invested in the USA record. Started. The dollar was Monday was market low. Rough US labor market data. Yeah, the XY, what happened? Yeah, pushing down. Yep, pushing down, pushing down. 15, no top wick. No top wick closure. Damn, we're pushing up here. Holy. Bam, bam. We are pushing up. Do, 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 do. Volume time. Volume time. It's volume time, chat. Mm. Yeah, this trade really look nice, but the problem is the stops. Where are we gonna put the stops? Where are we gonna put? It's really risky to buy here too. Okay, it's really risky to buy here because right now we're in the middle of the range. Okay, but advantage here we have open of the candle that you can, assume that we're gonna push up. All right. Right now it's waiting time. Toot, toot, toot. Then look at this 1 hour candle here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Can you look at that? Chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. All right, drop it in the chat. 25 minutes for 30 minutes closure and 10 minutes for 15. So right now, okay, we have a decent range. Okay, we have 172 pip range that we can trade with. So it's a good range to trade. Right now, we have move here. Okay, we move down and we're retracing. So any close, probably bearish again here. Oh. So probably gonna look for sells to move down, right? Because we're creating some range structure, kind of high. That's the lower high and lower low, and probably gonna create a new high here, the lower high, and the next candle create a new low. Let's see. I want to buy, I want to buy, but not here. Not in the top of the range, not in the middle of the range. I would probably buy below here or here. This area is good for buy if I see some opportunities for buy, right? Because right now, if we're gonna take buy, then sudden volume will come, price move down, man. It's really hard. It's really risky. So first time on my stream, awesome stream. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, PJ. Make sure you subs to the channel too, all right? Subs to the channel, like the stream. And if you can follow me on IG, follow me on Instagram. Yeah, link is in the description below for more trading content. Risky to buy from there for sure. Yup, it's really risky to buy right now. Okay. Good buy here is probably this area. It's good for buying up, or probably this area is good for buying up. 8 minutes for candle to close. So you re-break the high on the 15 here. All right, you re-break. That's gonna be nice. Now we need closure. Closure like this. Right, we're taking sell go to move down here. That'll be interesting. It's gonna be interesting because the daily should flip. If the daily, can flip today, it's really nice. You're taking bottom wicks. The monthly bottom wick. Yeah, the monthly should create a bottom wick too. Yeah, this monthly need to create bottom wick. Weekly need to create a steeper bottom wick too. So, man, it's really nice. It's gonna be nice. 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Shout out to 28 viewers right now. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. Make sure you drop some likes and subs to the channel. Goldie, don't move. Wait for us. Wait for us, Goldie. Damn, Gold is moving down now. Goldie, Goldie. Who got some trades today already, chat? Who got some buys? We grabbed some sells here today. Drop it in the chat. You got some W's. How many pips you got? How many USD you got? Damn, big candles here. Crazy. Oh man. Damn, chat. Big candles, Big candles here. Big candles here. Wow. Just wow. Damn. How many pip range we can move down? 35 pip. Wow, man. 1 hour flipping and should fill the range probably. Should fill the wick. 4 hour flip again. Okay, 4 hour flip. Damn. Caught 44 pips, $79. W, man. Eric the Trader, W gang. Who else got trade today? We got some buys. We got some sells. 4 minutes for candle to close. W cells. Wow, where you get the cells? From the top? From the top to the top. From the fake out. Wow, man. Good job. Good job, Eric. W buys too. Wow. 3471. Damn. Yeah. 3471 the support. Wow, man. W. The stubber scary. Where you took the cells? Which price? Which price? This one here. Closure on the 30. Where? This one here. Do you took cells on this 30 minutes? 3484 or this one 3478 Oh, 3484. Oh, nice. Yeah, cool trade here. Probably impulse. You take impulse or in the week entry. Oh, we're flipping bullish again here, gang. Bottom wick on the third T. Okay, nice. 15 minutes bottom wick. 1 hour bottom wick. Once you re-break this, yeah, we probably see this shooting up here. Price. Yeah, W. Shout out 29 viewers right now. Chat, like the stream, all right? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Man. Like, 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 like. Oh, flip bearish again. Wow. What is this? 2 minutes for candle to close. When we close bearish. Disclosure is good. 44, 45 pip range. But this candle didn't close bearish. Man, not. We're not gonna take no bueno. No Benoski. Bullish pressure right now. Damn. Alright, close bearish. But the body is small, so no bueno yet. No bueno. If this candle move down, I'm not gonna be have FOMO because it's not part of the play. It's not part of the plan. Yeah, if this candle move down, move down. But if this candle close bearish like this on the current, so that would be nice. But right now, no. No Benoskis. No Benoskis. How do you usually identify areas to close partial? It depends, bro. It depends on how you're gonna manage your trades. So it depends upon how you're gonna manage the trade. So I'm always, look at probably on the, if we have some minor levels on price, like probably this one, and if we're gonna grab some sales, like for example, we took the sales, yeah, on this price, I probably gonna take partials, or if we're gonna take buys on the wicks on the left, I probably gonna take partials there. But depends. Sometimes I close, 12 pips, 15. It depends. It depends on the volume. If the volume is kind of slow, yeah, on the 10, I probably gonna close. I need to, secure profit at least on the trade. Depends how, how you gonna practice with the style of trading. I'm not normally, catch the whole move because it's not part of my plan, okay? Catching the whole move is not part of my plan. So technically, I only, work with the candles, with the current candle open. So I need at least in this candle, I need this candle to move at least, yeah, 40, 30 pips, and then take 20 pips partial, 15 pips partial, and I'm happy with that. I'm not gonna chase the whole move. That's how I trade. It's all about. I'm just 2 years into trading, so I need to build more experience in terms of how you're gonna hold the trade longer. Because my mentor, he's the one. He's the one right now. He's really good holding the trade because he has a lot of experience. All about experience. He has a lot of experience holding the trade a little bit longer, like for 15 or for 4 hours holding, for 1 hour holding, depends. It depends on your strategy too. If you're a swing trader, scalper, I'm a totally scalper. I'm a scalper trader, and I'm not gonna deny that because that's how I know. That's how I learn. All right, re-breaking the high here, man. Yeah, it's good for buying, but I don't wanna take buy right now. I don't wanna take buy here on price. It's really, it's for me it's really risky because we're all time high. We don't know what will happen, right? The price just ranging here, the 1 hour is ranging, and yeah, man, really risky for me to buy buy on the discount. Buy on the 3439 should be better. Buy on the 3457 should be good. But buying in 3479, it's not look good. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, we're gonna be there, bro. If you are just be patient, practice your strategy, following the rules, following the plan. And he always, taught me, if I wanna, learn how to hold the trade, like close partial, like 50% or 80% of the position, and let it run until where you want. That's how you're gonna practice the swing. The swing. Because that people want, that people want. They wanna chase, they wanna chase the more pips because they said, oh, more pips, I can gain $100 a day in one trade. More pips. I'm gonna do full margin, but they doesn't know anything. They doesn't build any skills. And after 1 week, after 2 weeks, they probably gonna blow on their account because they don't build the skills yet. Right? Trading is all probabilities. Okay, if you don't have any edge to the market, how you gonna control yourself, being greed, being FOMO, being over risking, if you don't have edge, if you don't have strategy, right? So basically it's gonna be all gambling if you're not following any plans, rules. Got to be disciplined when trading. It's not all about discipline. It's all about how you following your plan, following your rules every single day. Yeah, the discipline is there already, but how do you really follow your plan? Do you really follow your rules? Because the plan is always shows up. If the setup shows up, yes, you need to take the trade. But if the setup doesn't show up, do you really, following their plan? Or you really break the rules because you want the trade? You want the money. You want to chase the money today. You versus you, yes, 100%. You versus you. And chat, I just see some like quick notes today from a very good trader. He said, right, that's why people lose money in trading because they're trying to prove to the people that doesn't know anything in trading that they really make money. So yeah, they trying to what's that? They trying to impress people that they don't trade. All right, consolidating again. See that? Look at this. 15 re-break the high, didn't push through, right? But for if we are in the support area, this is gonna be kind of good. This kind of close like this, like a week bearish, and like that. Entering a buy on the re-break of the high is good. What your position? My position is still here. I'm sitting and I'm waiting. That's my position. Pum 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 pum. Nothing, bro. I'm waiting for my setup. I'm just waiting for the nice setup, nice best trade. Gang, we near 1K subs, man. Can we do it this month? 1K subs. Chat, can we do it this month? What 1K subs? Right? Can we do it? We are near 1K subs. 748 subscribers now. 1K subs is coming, yeah. Subs. Yo, shout out to Mama Chaz. Keep on fire. To the moon. Let's go. Two minutes for candle to close. Man. 30 minutes looks body wick candle. But the 15, yeah, look good for push up. I'm not gonna buy here, chat. I'm not gonna buy in the next, okay? No, no, no for me. No, 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 no. No, 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 gang. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Doo-doo, doo-doo. 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right, kind of close. Kind of close. Wow. W, man. W. W, gang. Road to 1K, yeah, gang. Let's go. Man, the volume is kind of slow right now. Don't know why, but yeah, we have decent range. Closure below here is good. Probably, yeah, we're gonna wait for candle to close here. It's gonna be interesting once the candle close below 3476 because we have support, minor support level here been formed on the probably 5 minutes. Yeah, here 15. Once we close below there, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be good. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Chat, if you have any questions, okay, let me know. 5, 6 minutes for candle to close. The 30, yeah, 15 should close below. Mm. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's go. Can we have some potential move? All right. 35 pip stops. Gonna be nice. Gonna be nice. Gonna be nice. Shout out to 35 viewers. What's up, gang? How you guys doing? Welcome to the YouTube live stream here. And make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. Give me a second. One minute for candle to close. 1 minute. Give me a second. No closure. No good. Consolidating here. Consolidating. Yeah, so this zone is valid already, gang. All right, this zone is gonna be valid here because we respect this area. So we kind of wait for the candle to close below, right, for to trade this 56 pip range going down. No volume, gang. Shout out to Nat. 29 viewers right now. Man, too many patients today, huh? Right? Being patient is really nice, chat. Being patient, practicing the patience, practicing, the self control, how to be patient into the market without any confirmation here. That's really, a big, big dubs there, chat. That's a big dubs. Being patient today, big dubs to you, gang. Big W to you guys. All right, 5 minutes for candle to close. Let's see if we're gonna close below here. We're probably gonna give it a shot here, chat. Okay. We just need to wait for this 30 close bearish and 15 close 3476 there. So yeah, man. Let's see. Right, 2 minutes, gang. 2 minutes. We have some potential here. Probably this candle didn't close below, but this candle closed bearish like this. Probably gonna give it a shot on the re-break of the low. Impulse trade. Impulse trade. Is the 1 hour close bearish? Okay. There is a high chance that we can fill the range on the left wick. So yeah, man, locked in here, gang. Locked in here. Probably the next hourly open will give us volume to move down here. To move down. To move down. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute. Oy. All right, man. Can we close below or can we close, yeah, bearish with the bottom wick at least? So we can have some cells going down here. 1 minute, chat. 1 minute. 1 minute. All right. 37 seconds. 37 seconds. All right, gonna be interesting chat. All right, chat. Candle open. Candle open. Okay. Can we make a top wick here? A top wick. We just need a little bit top wick here. Re-break the high and then, flip. Oh, that's the 4-hour open too. Okay, nice. The 4-hour open, we need to see bottom wick on the 4. Okay, 1 hour open, 30 open, 15 open. Can we see top wick here, chat? Just a top wick. Okay, that's the top wick now. Cool. That's the top wick. Re-break the low? Not yet. Once you re-break the low, ooh, you re-break already, gang. Damn. Oh no. This is gonna be good trade. But we need to see at least steeper, little bit top wick there. The steeper top wick must be nice. Damn, gold. Oh. It's okay. It's okay, chat. It's okay. There's always a best trade. Man, I just don't like this, top wick. Yeah, we flip up just 4 or 5 pips, At least give us 10, 10 pips of, candle to move up and then flip. That would be nice. Right, that would be nice. But it's okay, It's okay. But it's good. If you got that, sell. If you got some cells here, open up the candle. You're probably in profit now. Good job. 26 move already. But for me, it didn't take anything. I just don't like, the 30 candle still has no top wick here. But it's okay. There's always the best trade. On to the next. Mm. Mhm, mm, mm, mm. But closure below here is good, right? Closure below is very nice to stake sell, right? It's gonna be look like this probably. So now you have a kind of high here, okay? So we read this really nice today, chat. I really read this nice. Lower high here, the lower low, and we need to create a lower high here. But if you wanna pull back here, so the lower high here, probably lower low should top here, right? And then it's probably gonna look like this, and then pull back and then push down here. It's gonna be nice here. Take and sell because we have clear range going down here today. But it's US bank holiday, so I don't think that we can push through this range, okay? So yeah. I mean, this is the trade already, gang, but for me I didn't take any trade. Probably today there's no trade for me. Let's see. We still have time here. Got 25 pips. Wow, Reese. Congrats. You took a sell on the open of the candle, right? W. Really nice trade here. Yeah, really nice setup on the 32. It's onion setup here. Cool, cool. Cool. Wow, W, congrats. W, look at you, right? Look at you, right? Look at you. You're really taking your trades alone. W. You really grow. W, Reese, W. W. All right, gang. Before I head off here today, I'm gonna give you top down again, once again here for the pre NY. Yep, probably pre NY will give you volume around 3 p.m. here, 2 p.m. ish, right? So this zone, okay, this zone is no tradable zone for me already because we plan it. All right, we plan it on the 30, as you can see. We almost filled the range here on price. At this range, we almost filled the range here. Okay, so technically for me, this is no tradable zone because we filled the range already. Now, any close below here, below the zone, it's good for, selling down, right? Any closure below here, it's good for selling down. We have a decent range, 300 pip range, let's say 200, 250 pip range, but we need volume, right? You need to wait for volume time, like around 2 p.m. for the NY, pre NY open, okay? And it's good for buying up once the candle close above the range, okay? Once the candle close above the range, this is good range to trade with buys here, right? But you need closure here on price. You need candle close 3479 to take buys up. All right, chat. So yeah, man, that's all for me today. I'm probably not gonna trade on the pre NY and NY session today. And yeah, again, gonna see you guys tomorrow. Okay, see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. All right, same stream, chat. And yeah, I'm probably gonna call it the stream. Thank you guys for hopping to the live stream. And yeah, that's all for me today, chat. Love and wisdom to you all, and see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, everybody. Peace, peace. I'm out here.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something to show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I cleaned up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey.